Listen to me. If you are standing on the precipice of retirement, or if you have already crossed that beautiful finish line, you are entering what should be the most liberated chapter of your financial life. Maybe you are finally handing over the reins of the contracting, plumbing, or electrical business you spent 30 or 40 years sweating to build. Or maybe you are looking to keep your hands busy with a small, independent consulting or trade operation to supplement your retirement income, but you want to do it without the stress, without the overhead, and without being chained to a desk. You want freedom. But let me tell you what I see happening to so many people in your exact shoes, and it breaks my heart. I see fear. I see the paralyzing fear of technology. You hear names like ServiceM8 tossed around by the younger generation as the ultimate holy grail for managing quotes, scheduling, and invoices on the go. And instantly, your stomach drops. You start questioning yourself. You ask, is ServiceM8 even going to work on the phone I already own? Am I going to be forced to go out and buy a brand new $1,200 gadget just to run a software program? What if I buy it and I can't figure it out, or what if my subcontractors can't use it because they have a different type of phone? You worry that technology is going to pass you by and deplete your hard-earned retirement cash before you even get started. So let's answer the ultimate question right here and right now. Is ServiceM8 available on iOS and Android? The direct, unfiltered answer is yes, and this is a massive Susie Orman, but that you must pay attention to how it works on those two platforms is completely different. You need to understand the rules of this game before you spend a single dime of your retirement savings. For years, ServiceM8 was an Apple-exclusive club. It was custom-built from the ground up to leverage the absolute maximum power of iOS. If you have an iPhone or an iPad, you get the whole enchilada. You get full administrative power, full scheduling capabilities, invoicing, and high-tech tools like automated client messaging and field measurements. It runs beautifully, seamlessly, and instantly. But what if you, your business partner, or the field workers you hire use an Android phone? For a long time, Android users were completely left out in the cold. Recently, ServiceM8 introduced an app called ServiceM8 Lite for Android. And I need you to hear me clearly on this. Lite means exactly what it says. It is a stripped-down, basic version. It was created specifically for field technicians, temporary workers, or subcontractors who just need to see where they are supposed to be, look at their daily schedule, take a couple of job photos, and check off a basic to-do list. If you are the business owner, if you are the one who needs to look at the big picture, manage the billing, integrate the system with your accounting software, or change the overarching schedules, you cannot do that from an Android phone app. The full management control simply is not there on the Android version. If you try to run your entire operation solely from an Android mobile device, you are going to find yourself incredibly frustrated, and you will be forced to log onto a desktop laptop just to get real operational work done. This brings us to the core financial conflict. I know how much you value safety and predictability right now. You do not want to make a mistake that complicates your life. If you love your Android phone and refuse to switch, using ServiceM8 means you will be restricted to doing your heavy administrative work at home or in an office on a computer, while using the phone just for bare-bones field updates. If you want the ultimate, true freedom to run your entire business from the palm of your hand while sitting on a beach or traveling in an RV, ServiceM8 dictates that the manager must be on an Apple device. So, what is your actionable takeaway today? First, do not let the fear of tech stop you from automating your business. Automation is what gives you your time back, and time is your most valuable asset in retirement. Second, do an honest audit of your current hardware and your business goals. If you already own an iPhone or an iPad, you are completely cleared for takeoff. Go download the app and take advantage of the free trial. Third, if you are an Android user who wants total mobile management control, you have two distinct choices. Either prepare to do your billing and scheduling from a laptop, or make the conscious financial decision to purchase an iPad or iPhone as a dedicated business expense. Do not just blindly buy the software expecting the Android app to do everything the Apple app does. Knowledge is power, my friends, and understanding exactly how your tools work across iOS and Android is the only way you can protect your peace of mind, secure your retirement income, and keep your business running exactly the way you deserve.